Hello children, good morning. How are you? Hope everybody is fit and very fine and enjoying winter season as well as doing studies also. So move on and discuss about the studies. Dear students, you already have seen two classes of this chapter number 13 means of communication. है ना? You have seen two classes of this chapter means of communication. This is chapter number 13 means of communication, and you have seen how many classes? Two classes, right? So in both the classes what we discuss? We discuss what is communication. We discuss what is communication, है ना? So take out your EVS notebook, take a small pencil, or take your pencil is in your hand, and if you realize that this thing is very important to you, you can make it underline there and there only, right? So let's see what is written in the book. But before we start something new learning, before we start anything new, I want to take a small recap of the chapter. Communication. The meaning of communication is what? The meaning of communication is sending or receiving message. Sending or receiving message. Sending means भेजना, receiving means लेना, प्राप्त करना. ठीक है? So the word communication means sending or receiving messages. Understand the meaning of communication? Communication means sending or receiving messages. Okay. When we communicate with a person, we can exchange our thought. Yes. When we communicate with the person, we can exchange our views, our thought with other person. So in early time, पुराने समय में, in early time, the means of communication was not very much advanced as like this modern time. This is modern time, and there are so many means of communications which we all are using in our day-to-day life. But when we discuss about the early time, the ancient age, what was the things which the early men used to communicate with each other. So there were no advanced technology at that time. So they are communicating face to face with each other. They are communicating face to face with each other. And if any king of any state wants to convey any message to the people of their state, so what the king used? That time the king used the मुनादी, है ना? एक वो बीट, एक ढोल ले लेते थे, उसको they starts beating and they start saying सुनो 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 सुनो. आज राजा जी ने ये घोषणा की है, इस घोषणा का, इस आज्ञा का सभी नागरिकों को पालन करना होगा. So this type of means of communication used by the early time. Okay. Then if they want to convey the message, if they want to send the message to one state to another state, what they use? That time they trained the pigeon, kabutar, and they trained the eagle, cheel. And what did they do? They write the message and they tie the message in the leg of pigeon, and they train that pigeon. Pigeon will go in that particular place only. Okay, then then we discuss about the letter, postcard, envelope, inlands, aerogrammars and common letters. So I already told you what is letterbox, what is postcard, how we can write, how the post office will work, how the postman will work, how they will reach to us from any other place to us, है ना. Then we discuss about the telephone also, telephone. And then we discuss about the computer. Computer is the latest technology which we all are using to communicate with each other. Rather than the communication, computer is always we all are using for so many purpose also. Computer is not only the means of communication, but nowadays to each and every office, each and every area, everybody is using computer or laptop to do some more work. Okay. Now, today we will discuss about newspapers. Today we will discuss about newspaper. When so many times we heard this word newspaper. News means what? News means खबरें और समाचार. In Hindi we can say खबरें और समाचार. And paper means what? Paper means the paper. But here newspaper means news or खबरें which is not verbal. बोलने वाली नहीं. Which is written on the paper. News तो है, but कैसी न्यूज है? बोलने वाली न्यूज नहीं है, सुनने वाली न्यूज नहीं है, पढ़ने वाली न्यूज है. Why? Because it is written on the newspaper. And dear children, I am pretty much sure that each and every student have newspaper facility at their homes. है ना? And the hawker, the news hawkers, they are very disciplined because they always deliver newspaper to your home, at your home, at the right time, at the same time. Hawkers, they are never ever late. Whether it is a summer season, it is so many rain is there, or coldy season, the coldy days there, all the condition can handle by the news hawkers, and they are actually very disciplined. And when your papa or your dadu, your chacha will wake up in the morning, first they will find out आज पेपर नहीं आया क्या. They always ask to your mama, they always ask to your dadi, आज का पेपर कहाँ है? आज तो पेपर पढ़ा ही नहीं, आज तो पेपर देखा ही नहीं. I always do the same thing, है ना. रेगुलर टाइम में तो आई यूज टू कम टू स्कूल, मुझे स्कूल आना ही होता है. बट आफ्टर गोइंग होम, स्कूल कंप्लीट, आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग स्कूल, व्हेन आई विल गो टू होम, आई ऑलवेज रीड न्यूज़पेपर. दिस इज माय हैबिट एंड आई एम रिक्वेस्टिंग टू यू, try to develop, try to inculcate this habit in you also, because reading newspaper is the best thing to learn the reading. Reading newspaper is most necessary thing, which we should inculcate in ourselves. Whether your mummy, whether myself, whether yourself, your papa, your bhai, your didi, bhaiya, everybody should read newspaper. Okay. Now, open your EVS notebook, take out page number 88. Take out page number 85, sorry, not 88. Take out page number 85 and paragraph number 1, newspapers. Let's see what is written about newspaper in your book. Newspaper are the cheapest means of communication. What is written in the book? That newspaper are the cheapest. This word CHEAPEST, cheapest. Cheapest means सबसे सस्ता. Cheapest means सबसे सस्ता. So newspapers are the cheapest means of communication. They have local as well as global newspapers. So there are two types of newspaper is available. One is local. Local means where we can find out the news of our surrounding area, and second one is global. Second one is global. Global means what? Global means international news. Local means the news of your area, the news of your state, the news of your country. Your area, your state, your area, your city, your country, your state and your country. And global means international news. Global means international news. News of other countries. Okay, so people who collect news from different places are called journalists. So journalist, this word journalist, so you have heard so many times in news channels, है ना? Journalist means in Hindi we can say patrakar. In Hindi we can call it patrakar, है ना? So people who collect the news from different places, the work of journalists is that they will collect the news from the different places. This is the work of journalist. Journalists always collect the news from different places, right? And write the names of two newspapers that you read at your home or school. So nothing is given in your book about the newspaper. Newspaper is the cheapest means of communication. This is the number 1. And number 2, we have two types of newspapers. Number 1, local newspaper. Number 2, global newspaper. When we will discuss about local newspaper, we can say that we will get the news of your city, of your state, of your country. And global means the international news or the foreign countries or the other countries' news. Okay, now journalist. The work of journalist is that journalists always collect the news from different places and they will write that news in the newspaper. This is the work of a journalist, and in Hindi we can call it patrakar. Okay, now we will discuss about radio. Number 2, we will discuss about radio. Radio is the old, let's see what is written about radio. Radio is the first wireless means of communication. This is the good quality, this is the advantage of the radio, is that radio is the first wireless means of communication. Before 20 or 30 years ago, communication is always attached with the wire, है ना? Only the radio is the means of communication which run by the cell. वो cell से भी चल सकते हैं. Wire is not required for radio, है ना? It broadcasts news to several people at a time, and the work of radio can broadcast. Radio, this word broadcast का मतलब होता है प्रसारण करना. ब्रॉडकास्ट का हिंदी में मीनिंग होता है प्रसारण करना. सो इट ब्रॉडकास्ट न्यूज टू सेवरल पीपल at a time. Even illiterate people can understand news and other programs on radio easily. आज भी बेटा today's time also we can say that the people, those who are living in villages, all the villages, they love to listen radio. जो गांव में रहने वाले लोग हैं उन्हें रेडियो सुनना बहुत पसंद है, because there is problem of the electricity, है ना. गांव में अधिकतर बिजली की प्रॉब्लम होती है, एंड रेडियो नॉट नीड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. रेडियो की सबसे बड़ी खासियत है कि उसको चलाने के लिए बिजली नहीं लगती है, वो सेल से भी चल सकता है. और हमारे देश के बहुत सारे गांवों में आज भी बिजली की परेशानी होती है, ठीक है. और गांव के जो लोग होते हैं, मोस्ट ऑफ द विलेजेस पीपल, दे आर नॉट लिटरेट, वो उतने ज़्यादा पढ़े लिखे नहीं होते हैं. बट वॉट एवर न्यूज़ ब्रॉडकास्टेड बाय द रेडियो दे कैन अंडरस्टैंड. whatever the program organized by the radio they can understand. रेडियो पर भी बहुत अच्छे अच्छे प्रोग्रामों का प्रसारण होता है. When I was child, I always used to listen radio. There were so many songs, Vivid Bharati, and so many types of band is there in the radio, and so many types of good programs organized by the radio. Now we will discuss television. television के बारे में तो मुझे ज़्यादा आपको बताने की I don't think so. Television तो each and everybody at their home, whether it is the richest people of the country or whether it is the poorest people of the country, each and everybody has television at their home. Television is a visual means of communication. What is the advantage of the television? Television is a visual means जहाँ पर हम देख भी सकते हैं, सुन भी सकते हैं. What is the meaning of visual means जहाँ हम चीज़ें देख भी सकते हैं और सुन भी सकते हैं. So television is a visual means of communication. On the television we not only get news but also see the persons reading it. So when the disc was not there, different type of channels was not there, only Doordarshan was there on the television, and that time the anchor, those who are reading the news, they have the paper and they will read the news, है ना. So we can see that men or women to read, and we can hear also, we can see also, we can hear also. This is the good advantage of the television. It is visual. And television also bring various programs on history, Animal Planet, life, quiz, weather, books. Magazine also give a variety of information. So nowadays the television has converted or became a modern TV, a smart TV. We can connect Wi-Fi, we can connect internet, you can see my lecture also on your big screen, on the big LEDs, on big television, है ना. So this is the advantage of television. We can see different types of programs, whether it is related with cartoon, news, movies, Discovery Channel, history, Khana Khazana, so many types of programs we can see, we can listen on the television, and we can get the various information about television. Now we will discuss about satellite. Okay, let's see what is written about satellite in the book. Satellites play an important role in communication. Satellites move around the earth in space. They help to send telephone messages, broadcasting radio, telecasting, TV programming around the world instantly. Satellite make it possible to watch live program to TV sets. Satellites means right now I'm not getting the Hindi word of satellite now. Satellites play a very important role in the communication. communication satellite means a kind of equipments which moves in the space, and because of that satellites we can make the call, we can see the live program, है ना. Suppose the president of America, Biden, is giving any speech in New York, Jersey or in Washington. So he is to giving in the America, but we can see in India. So how is it possible? So because of these satellites, we can see whatever is going on in any other place, in any other country. So we can see the live program because of that satellites, because satellites helps to provide live broadcast on your television, on your mobiles. Okay, so understand about the satellites. When you will go in the further classes, you can understand in a better manner. Now e-readers, last but not least, e-readers. Let's see what is e-readers. E-readers. So e-readers are the gadgets of a large size cell phone or which we can read books. One can download book from the net. So nothing much information is giving about the e-readers. E-readers means a large size of gadget. E-readers means a large size of gadgets which we can read book also. In that gadget we can read book also, and one can download book from net. We can read it. So dear students, fact of file, a small is given. Radio services in India was started in 1972. 1972 radio services started in which year? It is started in 1972. And television, Doordarshan services in India was started in 1995. So 1927 radio services was started, and 1955 television service started. So keep these 2 years is in your mind. This is GK also. कि रेडियो कब शुरू हुआ था? 1927 में, और टीवी 1955 में. So dear students, here we are finishing the chapter number 13, means of communication. When we will meet in the next class, that time we will do the entire exercise of the chapter. We will write new words, take the correct option, true, false, odd one out, question answers. These all exercise we will solve in the next class. So till then, bye bye, have a nice day. God bless you all. Keep study, keep watching videos, keep reading, keep giving me likes. Bye bye.